So good morning friends. So in this video, I want to talk about the most valuable concept, especially for the interview room, the most valuable concept even for certification exam also. So where majority of the people are not having clear picture, there is some gap is there in their knowledge. Such a type of beautiful concept I'm ready to start. Serialization, the most valuable concept, okay, for the interview room, where most of the times, whenever what is serialization, deserialization, the basic definitions everyone can able to tell. The process of saving state of an object to a file, or the process of sending an object across a network like. Sir, here strictly speaking, what is serialization? What internal things compulsory we should be in a position to talk. Are you getting? So can you please talk about serialization? Minimum 5 hours, 6 hours. Yes, I can able to talk. Such type of confidence level should be there with you people. Okay. So that's my target. Of course, what's our agenda in this serialization concept is, first I will talk about introduction part. First I will talk introduction. What is serialization? What is deserialization? Can you explain serialization, deserialization with an example? Okay, next, what is the role of transient keyword? Transient keyword in serialization. If we declare transient final, what will happen? If I declare static variable as the transient, what will happen? Sir, this is total things by default will be covered under introduction, the basic. And then we have to talk about object graph. Object graphs in serialization. Sir, what is object graph in serialization? We have to talk. Third one, we should go for customized serialization. Sir, I am not satisfied with the default serialization performed by JVM. How I can customize a serialization mechanism? Customized serialization. Are you getting? Customized serialization like this. And then we have to talk about serialization. We have to talk about serialization with respect to inheritance. Serialization with respect to inheritance. Sir, if the parent is serializable but the child class doesn't implement serializable, what will happen? If the parent is non-serializable but the child implements serializable, what will happen? Compulsory you should have clear idea, right? Sir, these are 4 required for our certification exam, for OCJP or SCJP. What syllabus is there? Okay, these are things. But there are some topics which are very important for the interview room. Maybe a chance where most of the people are silent. There are 2 topics are there, internal things. Let me explain. Extra things I want to discuss. Externalization. Externalization, a beautiful concept. Do you know what is the difference between serialization, externalization? Both are similar except a small difference. When we should go for serialization, when we should go for externalization, we should have idea. Can you please tell around 6 or 7 differences between serialization and externalization? We should be in a position to tell. Next, last one, we have to talk about serial version UID. Okay, what is the role? What is the role of serial version UID? This is the cinema what I have to discuss. Yeah, the part of serialization concept. Are you getting right? Sir, I'm sure minimum 5 to 6 hours in the interview room we should be in a position to talk. What is serialization? What is deserialization? Explain with an example. What is object graph? What is the need of customized serialization? How we can implement customized serialization? With respect to inheritance, how the link by default will be there? Parent serializable, child is non-serializable, parent is non-serializable, child is serializable. How the serialization will happen? Like, what is the difference between serialization and externalization? Can you explain externalization with an example? Okay. Next, can you please list out all differences between serialization and externalization? We should be in a position to tell. Next one, what is the role of serial version UID? Okay, how the by default Chevium is the responsible to generate. Sir, if we are not satisfied with that, what problems are there if we are depending on default serial version UID? How we can customize our own serial version UID? This part we have to discuss. That's all. This is the agenda what we have to discuss about. Okay, serialization concept. Almost 5 to 6 hours we have to discuss about this concept, right? Sir, now let me start. What is serialization? Introduction part, sir. Can you tell what is serialization? Yes, what is serialization? Most of the people, if we consider the definition, almost around 10,000 feet high, very common definition is the process of saving an object to a file, or the process of saving state of an object to a file. Sir, I have an object is there. I want to save the state, whatever values are there. So for this instance variable, I want to save state of an object to a file is called serialization. Okay, I'm saving state of an object to a file is called serialization. This is called the process of reading state of an object from a file is called deserialization. Are you getting right? At very top level, what is serialization? What is deserialization? Right, sir. I have an object is there. It's a state I want to save permanently to the file. Okay, so this the process of saving state of an object to a file is called serialization. The process of reading state of an object from a file is called deserialization. Sir, even interview person accepted terminology is this one. But strictly speaking, these are not exact definitions of serialization, deserialization, right? Sir, what is serialization? What is deserialization? Observe very carefully about this terminology, right? At last, I will summarize the definitions, right? First, observe. Let me create a small analogy, so that you people can able to understand very easily what is serialization, deserialization, right? Assume that I have one kid who is studying in the Bangalore. Just example sake, don't tell outside. Okay. Sir, I have one kid who is studying in the Bangalore. One day he made a call. Dad, can you please send a big balloon for me? Because Ravi has balloon. He is not allowing me to play together. Ravi is my neighbor's kid. Anyway, that Ravi, my kid's friend, he's having the balloon, but he is not allow my kid to play together. Okay, kiddish behavior is, Dad, can you please send a big balloon? That balloon should be bigger than what Ravi has. Like my kid made a call and he requested. If the kid is asking something, every parent compulsory very much eager to provide that, because at kid level attachment is more, but this rule is applicable only at a kid level. Remember that. Okay, once we grow, our parents are not going to listen our requests or our wishes. Suppose if I can ask, Dad, I want Katarna Kaif, then my father will give left and right. Are you getting? At kid level, this type of rule is applicable. Are you getting? If the kid is asking something, every parent is very much eager to provide that. My kid made a call. Dad, can you please send a big balloon for me? This is the statement, this is the request what my kid did. Then I told, Arey, not required to worry. By this weekend, I will send a big balloon to the Bangalore. Not required to worry. Like I told, I gave the word, I gave the promise. Then what I did is, one fine day evening, I went to the shop. I went to some exhibition mall or shop. There I asked, Boss, do you have the balloons? First question, do you have the balloon? Then immediately that person told, yes sir, we have. Can you please give the biggest balloon what you have? Can you please give the biggest balloon? Have you observed my words? In my words, reflecting attachment with my kid, I didn't ask the price. Can you please give the biggest balloon what in your shop, whatever you have, like I told. Then immediately one person entered inside. After 10 minutes, a person came. Sir, this is the balloon. What we have, biggest balloon like. Do you know how much size is there? This much size is there. The remaining you can able to guess. Sir, this much big balloon. Then I asked, how much is the cost? Some 1500 or 2000 rupees like. I gave that 1500, 2000 rupees. and then I took this balloon. So by seeing that balloon, I felt very happy. Bigger balloon, my kid can feel very happy by seeing that. I have that feeling. But once I hand over that balloon, then my problem started, because I had to send this balloon to Bangalore. Then I took that one. Then how I can carry that balloon? Just I took this, just I'm walking on the road just like a robo. Okay, do you know, big balloon. Then how I can send, I thought. Then I approached one DTDC courier person. There is a DTDC courier person. I approached one DTDC shop, courier shop is there. Then I went there. Whenever I'm going towards that shop with this big balloon in my hand, then the person who is there in that DTDC courier office, then he only came out. Sir, what do you require? His expected answer is correct. Sir, can you please send this balloon to the Bangalore like I told? First, whenever I asked, can you please send this balloon to the Bangalore? First, what that courier person did is visa from top to bottom. Sir, not possible to send balloon to the Bangalore like he told. Then immediately I asked, as per courier rules, money we should not send, gold we should not send, illegal kind of things we should not send. It is not money, it is not gold, it is not illegal. Why you should not send? Can you please? Like I told. Then he told his problem. Sir, usually we are sending items by flight. If I want to send your balloon in the flight, how much space it's going to accommodate? Problem one. Next, if there is any small needle press is there, automatically this balloon will be damaged. It is not in transport supported form. So that's why, sorry sir, we can't send like. Then I can able to understand their problem. Then I came a step down. Then instead of ordering, now I requested, at least can you please guide me how I can send this balloon to the Bangalore? I paid 2,000 rupees unnecessary, it will become waste. Can you please send? Can you please guide me at least like? Then that person, what he did is, sir, can you please keep the balloon on the ground like he asked me. Then I kept. Then this person rounded this balloon twice or thrice. Then he identified a small opener, sir. A small opener he identified. Then immediately that person told, courier person told, sir, we can able to send this balloon to the Bangalore like. Then I got shocked. Few minutes before you told you are unable to send, but now you are telling I can send. How? How you can send like I asked. Then immediately that person told, sir, just very simple. If I remove the air from the balloon, then it's possible to send. Then with very innocent face I asked, without gas or air, how my kid can play with this balloon man like? Then that courier person told, sir, in the Bangalore he can able to fill with air like. Please wait 1 minute like. I made a call to my kid. Then my kid or otherwise my kid's guardian told, yes, here there is a facility to fill with air, cycle shop or motor shop is there like he told. Then I asked, can you please remove the air? Once I remove the air, this big balloon will become, do you know, small piece like. You are getting a small piece balloon. After removing the air, how much is nothing but like. Then the courier shop person provided one small cover. In the, okay sir, can you please write from address and to address like, and some 30 or 40 rupees he took that one. Then I asked when it will reach Bangalore like. Then by tomorrow evening it will reach, sir, like he told. Then tomorrow my kid my kid got this balloon. Have you observed? A small balloon is nothing but my kid got. It is not in usable form. Are you getting? It is in transport supported form. It is not in usable form. Then immediately my kid filled with air, automatically this balloon will become once again like a big balloon like. Are you able to understand right? Sir, here the terminology is original form of the balloon is not in transport supported form. Correct or not? Sir, normal balloon form is the different, transport supported form is the different. Okay, this is normal form and transport supported form both are different. I have to convert a balloon from original form into transport supported form. This conversion process is serialization, sir. Are you able to get what is serialization? Just observe. I have to convert balloon from original form to transport supported form. This conversion process is called what? Serialization. Now this balloon came to the Bangalore. Sir, transport supported form is the different, normal usable form is the different. Okay, so we have to convert balloon from transport supported form to usable form. This conversion process is called what? Deserialization. Are you able to understand, right? What is serialization? What is deserialization? Observe the terminology clearly, right? The process of saving, here just observe a bit carefully. So original form of the balloon, transport supported form, both are different. I have to convert from this form to transport supported form is called serialization. Transport supported form is the different, original form is the different. I have to convert transport supported form into original form. This reverse conversion is called deserialization, right? Now I hope some conversions are required. These conversions are nothing but what? Serialization and deserialization, right? Sir, let me map this example with our Java technical terminology, right? Sir, I have one object is there, sir. One object is there. This object in Java supported form. Are you getting? This object is in Java supported form. On the heap area, an object is there. I have to save this object to the file. Save this object to the file. Now, I have to convert this object from Java supported form to file supported form. Are you getting? The process of converting an object from Java supported form to file supported form or network supported form. This conversion process is by default considered as what? Serialization, right? Are you able to understand? But most of the people are going to feel, do you know, the process of saving state of an object to a file is called serialization, like? No, strictly speaking, it is the process of converting an object from normal Java supported form to file supported form or network supported form. This conversion process is by default considered as what? Serialization, right? I hope you people can aware. Can you tell what is deserialization? Simple, sir. Normal definition. The process of reading an object from the file. State of an object from a file is called deserialization. But strictly speaking, it is the process of converting an object from file supported form or network supported form into Java supported form. Are you getting? This conversion process is by default considered as what? Deserialization, right? Are you getting? Sir, I have to save an object to a file. I have to convert a Java object from Java supported form to file supported form. This conversion process is by default considered as serialization, sir. I want to send an object across a network. I have to convert an object from Java supported form to network supported form. This conversion process is by default considered as what? Serialization, sir. Same reverse. The process of converting file or network supported form into Java supported form once again. This conversion process is called what? Deserialization, right? I hope you people can aware basic idea. What is serialization? What is deserialization? Let me summarize for the interview sake what definitions we have to tell. Sir, can you tell what is serialization? Yes? What is serialization? Can you spell out? Here, if I consider what is serialization, just observe the definition, sir. The process of saving state of an object to a file. This process is called serialization. The process of saving state of an object to a file is called serialization. But strictly speaking, the process of converting an object from Java supported form to either file or network supported form. This conversion process is by default considered as what? Serialization, right? Okay. If entire person is asking, can you please tell what is serialization? what definition you have to tell? Normal definition and strictly speaking what? You have to respond in this style. The process of saving state of an object to a file is called serialization. But strictly speaking, it is the process of converting an object from Java supported form to either file supported form or network supported form. This conversion process is by default considered as what? Serialization, sir. Same reverse. Can you spell out what is deserialization? Yes, sir. You know what is deserialization? Sir, reverse. The process of saving state of an object to a file is called serialization. The process of reading state of an object, from a file is called deserialization, sir. The process of reading state of an object from a file is called deserialization. But strictly speaking, it is the process of converting an object from file or network supported form to Java supported form. This reverse process, Java supported form, this reverse process is nothing but deserialization, right? So basic idea, I hope you people can aware what is serialization, what is deserialization, right? Okay, this is. But how we can implement serialization? How we can implement deserialization? Which streams are required? Sir, let me talk clearly, right? Sir, up to this I hope is clear. Now, legend this one. Sir, can you tell what is serialization? The process of reading state of an object from a file is called serialization. I mean, the process of writing state of an object to a file is called serialization, right? How we can implement the serialization? Sir, very simple, sir. Here, just have a look once, sir. I have one Java object is there. Sir, I have one object is there. Here, I want to write this object. I have one object is there, assume dog object. I want to write this dog object to the file. Have you observed? This is my file. abc.ser file. Regarding serializable file. If you want to write an object to a file, object is binary data. If you want to write an object to a file, binary data, output stream is required. So step number 1, create file output stream. Are you getting? What is the first step, sir? Create a file output stream. By using file output stream, we can write binary data, but not object directly. What we have to do? Sir, which stream can take object directly? Object output stream. Over this file output stream, we have to open object output stream. Are you getting? Step number 1, create file output stream. Step number 2, create object output stream. By using object output stream contain one method, write object method is there. Just pass your object. Then happily this object will go and sit into the file. Are you getting right? So the process of writing state of an object to a file is called serialization. Can you tell by using which streams we can achieve serialization concept? There are 2 streams are required. What is the first stream, sir? File output stream. What is the second stream? Object output stream. Sir, by using these 2 streams, we can implement a serialization concept. Clear for all of you that? Okay, this is. Sir, what is serialization? By using which streams we can implement serialization? File output stream, object output stream. Here observe, object output stream take object and convert into binary data. File output stream write that binary data to the file. Okay, remember this one. Object output stream take the object and convert into binary data. File output stream write that binary data to the file. That's why by using file output stream and object output stream classes, we can implement serialization concept. Up to this is the clear. So with this knowledge, you can able to tell very easily how we can implement deserialization. Are you getting? How we can implement deserialization concept. Sir, take very special care. Okay, same, easy. Reverse process, sir. I have one object is there, one file is there, sir. Here I have one file is there. In the file I have an object is there, state of an object is there. Sir, I want to read this object from the file. If you want to read the binary data, which stream is required, sir? File input stream is required. File input stream can read binary data, but I want object directly. Then which stream can provide object? Object input stream can provide. Have you observed? File input stream, object input stream. Object input stream contain read object method is there. Are you getting? Happily, this object by default is going to come and sit here. Are you getting? So, the process of reading state of an object from your file is called what? Deserialization. By using which streams we can implement deserialization concept? File input stream, object input stream, right? Okay. By using these streams, we can implement deserialization concept. Are you getting? So, from total discussion, you people should have clear clarity. What is serialization? What is deserialization? What is serialization? The process of saving state of an object to a file is called serialization. But strictly speaking, it is the process of converting an object from Java supported form to file supported form or network supported form is called serialization. By using which streams we can implement serialization concept? File output stream, object output stream. By using these two streams we can implement serialization concept. By using what is deserialization? Reverse process, sir. The process of reading state of an object from your file is called deserialization. But strictly speaking, the process of converting an object from file or network supported form into Java supported form. Are you getting? This conversion process is called deserialization. By using which streams we can implement deserialization? File input stream, and the object input stream classes we can implement deserialization concept. I hope are you getting the basic introduction, basic terminology? What is serialization? What is deserialization? Which streams we are going to use? Make sure you people should aware clearly, right? Okay. I hope terminology is very clear for you people, right?